Fatima. Sounds like India to me. Hey, Paret Bahara. This is coming your way. Fatima, 6th Street, San Francisco, California. The Alden Hotel. Fatima. Hey, listen, Fatima. If the tally comes up $12.92 and a Federal Reserve note of $20 is given, the person is not specifically asking for 8 cents. The person stated directly, do you have 8 cents? So I gave her 8 cents. But she gave me what in change? 7 only. Fatima. So in true reality, if the tally is $12.92, the change, if you given a 20 Federal Reserve note, would be $7.08. $7.08 and $12.92 is exactly a 20 Washington Federal Reserve note. That is Jackson. Now, Paret Bahara. It happens all the time. The person did not ask for the 8 cents. The person said, do you have 8 cents? You understand? There you have it. But don't take stupidity literally. I gotta go. The average, what you would say, immigrant. Would slip and never get up. New York City. Gotta go.